It's an old age norm to clean homes and redecorate home temples on Diwali, buying new stuff and discarding old. But as a passionate crafter, I planned to recycle few things, and one of it was this holy picture of Goddess Lakshmi, Saraswati, and God Ganesh. So I'm using this wooden base for my artwork, which is recently bought from a flower shop. It's a wooden base with two layers. Now this idea came to me from Lipan art, which is quite trending these days. So let's trim the excess part of the sticker to fit perfectly on the wooden frame. Once trimmed properly, stick it with double tape. Well, you can use any adhesive which is available at your end. I prefer using double tape because it's easy, neat and quick. Now cover the base with two layers of gesso. One plain with the help of a brush and the second one with the sponge. This will give a textured look to the artwork. Well, I have used this in many of my artworks. I actually like this effect a lot. Now for the second layer of wooden frame, I'm using red acrylic color, and to give a tinge of glitter, I'm using this glitter glue art. It's a glitter glue which I have bought it from nearest stationery shop. You can also use a glitter glue instead, the regular ones. Now layer the top layer onto the bottom nicely, secure it with good adhesive. So here comes the final part to embellish it. I'm using white pearl beads and leafy shaped beads to give that Indian ethnic look. I have used hot glue gun to stick these beads onto this artwork. So here is the final look. So tell me, what do you think? Do you like this easy recycled craft idea? I will be sharing more fun ideas soon. Until then, follow me here and on Instagram for behind the scenes and much more. So here is the artwork which is beautifully placed on the door of my home temple. What do you think? Do let me know in your comments below. Thank you.